Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday took a dig at the Congress after the Income Tax Department seized rupees 350 crore in black money and approximately 3 kgs of gold ornaments from the premises of Congress MP Dheeraj Sahu. Referring to the popular money heist drama, the Prime Minister said that the Congress has been looting the country for 70 years now. Modi took to X and shared a video posted by the Bharatiya Janata Party featuring stacks of currency notes recovered by the IT department and the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi. He wrote, "In India, who needs money heist fiction when you have the Congress party, whose heists are legendary for 70 years and counting?" The Income Tax Department seized a record rupees 353 crore in cash during the raids at the properties linked to Congress MP Dheeraj Sahu at multiple locations in Odisha and Jharkhand. The cash haul is the highest ever in a single action by any probe agency in the country, according to officials. Following the recovery of over 350 crore cash, ruling party in Odisha, Biju Janata Dal, that is BJD, the BJP and the Congress started blame game and traded charges. The BJP had earlier released a video slamming the Congress after the Income Tax Department seized the money during its raid at Bodh Distillery Private Limited, a company based in Odisha. The company is allegedly linked to Congress Rajya Sabha MP Dheeraj Sahu. The BJP shared the video, terming it Congress's money heist. Earlier on Friday, Modi took a dig at the Congress, tagging a news report about the IT department's recoveries in cash from various locations of a business group allegedly linked to Sahu. Countrymen should look at these piles of currency notes and then head the addresses of its leaders on honesty. Every penny looted from people will have to be returned. This is Modi's guarantee. Modi had posted from his official handle. Meanwhile, the Congress has chosen to distance itself from the cash recovered at its MP's home, claiming that only Sahu can explain how huge amounts of cash were found at his business.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.